Good morning to everybody. So already we completed till exercise 1.5. So today we are going to start the exercise 1.6. Before that, I would like to give the definition for surds and indices. Okay. So indices is nothing but exponents only. Indices is nothing but exponents only. Surds and indices. Indices is nothing but exponent. Now, what is meant by surds? Tell me. Do you have any idea? Yes. No. Listen. Surds are the square root of this is a symbol of square root of number that cannot be simplified into a whole or rational number. In otherwise we can say that the square root of whole number that has an irrational value. For example, root 2, square root of 6, square root of 10, square root of 15. Am I right, dear? Are you getting or not? A square root of whole number that has an irrational value are called as what? Surd. Okay. Now, come to the definition for indices. Indices means what? So already we know that. What is meant by indices? A number, yes, or letter that can be multiplied by itself as many times. For example, indices. For example, a into a up to n times. That can be write as a to the power n. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means what? 2 power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Am I right? So it is called as what? Indices. That powers, exponents. Are you getting it here? Yes. Now, a power m into a to the power n. So already you learned in class 7 also. In class 8 also you learned. In class 9th also we are going to learn the same thing only. A power m into a power n. A power m into a to the power n. That means a to the power m plus n. I will give you one example for that. Listen. That means suppose 2 into 2. Am I right? 2 power 3. Otherwise 2 power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 3 means what? Any idea? A power m into a to the power n. That is equal to a to the power m plus n. I will give you one example. Listen. 2 power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So 2 power 3 is what? 8. 2 power 2 is what? 4. So 8 into 4 is how much? 32. Am I right, dear? Now 2 to the power 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 means what? 2 to the power 5. What is the meaning of 2 to the power 5? You have to multiply 2 how many times? 5 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So 2 power 5 is 32. That's what a power m into a power n is what? A to the power m plus n. Please remember, if it is multiplied, when we are having the same base with a different exponent, we can express this a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n. Now, come to the second point now. A power m divided by a power n. A power m divided by a power n, provided that m should be greater than n. That means a to the power m minus n. If it is a division, with the same base but different exponent, we can subtract the exponent. I will give you one example. You can take the same thing. 2 power 3 by 2 power 2. 2 power 3 by 2 power 2. So 2 power 3 is what? 2 power 3, 8. 2 power 2 is what? 4. So 2 power 3 by 2 power 2. That means 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. Am I right here? Now, this same thing can be written as 2 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 2 can be written as 2 to the power 3 minus 2. That is 2 to the power 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So 2 power 1 is what? 2. That's what a power m by a power n can be written as a to the power m minus n, where m greater than n. Then after that, anything power 0 is what? 1. Anything power 0 is what? 1. Then fourth one, a to the power minus m. That can be written as 1 by a to the power m. Okay, so already we discussed everything detailed in class 8 also. Now the next one is a power m into b power m is nothing but a into b the whole power m. And then sixth one is a power m by b power m is nothing but a by b the whole power m. A by b the whole power m. Are you getting there? Okay, that's all. Only how many laws? 6 laws. First one is a power m into a power n is a to the power m plus n. A power m by a power n is a to the power m minus n. Anything power 0 is 1. A power minus m is 1 by a power m. A power m into b power m is a into b the whole power m. A power m by b power m is a by b the whole power m. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss the solution for exercise 1.6. Thank you everybody. Thank you.